In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whop to earn money. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to start promoting offers and set yourself up to earn commissions, all from inside Whop. Start on the Whop home feed. From there, look for the resources section in the navigation, open it, then choose affiliates to access the area built for creators and marketers. Inside affiliates, head to your dashboard. This is your control center. It's where you'll find links, activity, and the tools you'll use to discover and promote offers. From the dashboard, select Browse Marketplace. This opens the affiliate marketplace where you can explore programs available to promote. Use the search bar to narrow by niche, keyword, or brand. Take a moment to scan listings that match your audience. When something looks promising, select it to open the offers page. On the offer page, review the details carefully. Look for the commission rate, payout structure, cookie window, and any promotional guidelines so you know what's allowed. When you're ready, check the box to accept the terms of use and privacy policy. Then click Become Affiliate to join that program. This action typically enables your tracking for that offer. Return to your dashboard. Open Refer Buyers to access the section dedicated to bringing paying customers to Whop products. This is where you'll find and track your buyer-focused referrals and understand how commissions will attribute back to you. Next, open Refer Sellers to explore referrals for creators and businesses joining Whop as vendors. This track can complement your buyer referrals by earning when new sellers sign up through you. Finally, go to the Partners area and apply to be a partner. This is where you can unlock expanded opportunities and tools once approved. Ensure your information is accurate and your promotional approach aligns with platform guidelines so your application reflects professionalism. That's the complete flow. Home feed, resources, affiliates, dashboard, browse marketplace, search and choose an offer, accept terms, become an affiliate, return to dashboard, explore refer buyers and refer sellers, and apply to be a partner. Follow these steps consistently, review each offer's rules, and you'll be set to earn with Whop.